Okay, we've gone out, we've touched up the spots that needed to be touched up, re-sanded it down. So now we're going to use a damp cloth to get all the dust off of it. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube page and like on the video. I would appreciate that. So we're going to put a base coat of white on. Then we'll sand that down with 220 grit sandpaper and then put another coat on it. And that should pretty well seal it where we can start to do our color. I'm going to use a white acrylic base. We'll paint everything, let it dry good, then we'll go out and sand it down and give it a second coat. By putting a base coat on, it helps to, when you go to use your color, then it really makes the color pop out better by having a base coat on. So that's why you want to do a base coat first. And then when you put your color on there, it's going to look a lot better. I know you won't need so many coats of the color. So we'll paint the rest of the head and then we'll be back with the next step. So thanks for watching.